I'm Joseph from MakeBestChoice.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another review. Today we are going to review Profit Rocket. Now what is Profit Rocket? Now Profit Rocket is an all-in-all training. How to earn 3, 4 and even 5-figure income in a month using the social media platform Pinterest. Inside the Profit Rocket, there are 2 parts. One, an hour training where experts give you all the tricks of the trade and also explain you the do's and don'ts, plus the second part which contains over 5 real life video case studies from leading internet marketers who have made up to 5 figures in the past month with this secret sauce. If that interests you, please stay tuned. We are going to jump right away into the demo now. After the demo, I'll show you all the bonuses that I have to offer. There are some crazy bonuses. Then the upgrades, upsells and pricing. And finally, we conclude with the pros and cons. Now let's start the demo. Here on your screen, you can see I'm logged into the dashboard of Profit Rocket. Now, as I said, Profit Rocket is a series of trainings of how to earn using the Pinterest platform. You'll find over here this section 1 that contains all the training. The dashboard contains the welcome video of Johnny Rose, the creator of the software, and you can go through it. And on your left hand side are all the trainings, and it is very beautifully segmented, slowly, step by step, fully conversant with the newbies. Even if you're a newbie to Pinterest, you can really follow the steps and move on. I show you how to create pins, for example. You click on it and the video tutorial will show you how to create pins in Pinterest. Similarly, like this, there are a number of video tutorials. Now the second part is how to make money with Pinterest. So once you have learned the do's and don'ts and everything that is required to qualify for making money, now you are ready to earn money with Pinterest. And these are the case studies, not 1, not 2, but 5 case studies. That means 5 ways with how you can utilize Pinterest to earn money. It starts with the introduction, and then you can go through all the 5 case studies. Repeatable $100 days with Pinterest plus ClickBank, ecom $0 to $1,000 with organic Pinterest traffic, so on and so forth. So there are so basically, in a nutshell, this is the software. Apart from this, there are the upgrades that are there. That is you'll find here also, which I'll discuss it in the next section. And let me check. There's a reseller update also over here, and pretty much that concludes the demo. I believe it's pretty simple, and it gives you very newbie friendly and gives you a platform where you can leverage your learning and earn high income. Moving on with the review. If you want to purchase the software, I have given a link in the video description below. If you click that link, you will be guided to this page. This is my bonus page, the bonuses that I have to offer, which is worth $1,139. And this page contains a description of the Profit Rocket software, my review, which will be available. You can click and watch the whole review. It contains a brief description of the software, what it does, who is it for. It is a perfect fit for online marketers, affiliate marketers, website owners, and anyone who needs traffic, because Pinterest is a really underrated traffic source, web traffic source, which has not been unearthed properly. There are very few softwares out there in the market that really knows how to dig out the wealth out of Pinterest. Next is the pricing funnels. I'll come to it just after this, and the pros and cons. We'll discuss all these things, and here are my bonuses that I have to offer. Now before I go ahead with my bonuses, I want to draw your attention to these yellow buttons that are there. These yellow buttons that are there. If you want to avail my bonuses, you need to click on these yellow buttons. And once you click on these yellow buttons, you will be taken to the to the Profit Rocket sales page, which will look somewhat like this. And here in the sales page, you get much more description about the software, some cool testimonials and facts that are there. And you need to click on these. You can go through them, by the way, and learn more about the software. And you need to click one of these yellow buttons, get instant access to Profit Rocket. There's another button over here. So you need to click one of these yellow buttons in the sales page also. You will be redirected to the paying cart page, where you have to make the payment. Once you make the payment, you will come to the Warrior Plus. You will receive a receipt from the Warrior Plus, and you will log in to the Warrior Plus receipt page or your profile. And there you will find these blue buttons. To avail my bonuses, you need to click these Access Affiliate Bonus. My name would be there. You need to click the blue button and you will get all these bonuses. I hope the process is clear. And if you have any issues, I have also given a pictorial representation of how to go about things. And if you are not clear, then also I am always available. You can ping me through my YouTube channel. So moving ahead with my bonuses, the first bonus I have to offer is the is the Lost Code. Now it is worth $397.95. This is a masterpiece that was developed by both Jono Armstrong and Brendan Mace, and basically it contains a YouTube marketing training course. Now since Profit Rocket deals with Pinterest, and you can post videos into Pinterest also, this can be a great platform for those who use video marketing to post their marketing material directly from YouTube. There are options there to Pinterest, and I believe video is the best option to promote your products. So I believe this will be a very handy tool for you. The second bonus is again a tutorial by the most famous affiliate marketer, internet marketer, Jono Armstrong. It is called the How to Write Headlines That Sell. Now in Pinterest, you don't have much to write. There is a word limitation. So you have to be right to the crux, and you have to know what to write in order to grab the attention. Now this will be a very good help for you to write pinpoint accurate attracting headlines, and this tutorial is given by one of the best marketers of this time. So I believe it will be of great help to you. My third bonus is worth $295, and it is again Jono Armstrong Bing Ads course. Now I thought that since we are learning one secret web traffic source, Pinterest, why not learn another or rather underrated web traffic source but really useful, that is Bing Ads course. Now Jono Armstrong gives a very nice thorough course on how to make effective Bing ads, which can really boost your sales, boost your income. I am sure that this will help you a lot, added with Profit Rocket. My fourth bonus is my tutorial. Actually there are 3 tutorials. It's a combo 3-in-1 pack. It contains a Weber responder tutorial. It contains ClickBank marketing tutorial, how to start ClickBank marketing, and it also contains 5 top viral traffic sources of 2020. It is valued at $177, and it will really be of great help to you. My fifth bonus is the vendor bonus, what the vendor is giving you, and it is basically let me show you. Yes, it is basically this Red Lab software that you are going to get. Of course, remember, you need to click on this URL, and after you buy the software, after you get to this URL, this will be there with my bonuses. You need to contact them. Here it says that please note that you need to forward your purchase receipts to this email address that is given there, marked in yellow, and also you have to mention the Profit Rocket in the subject and purchased from my name. That I've given my name over here. You have to mention my name in the subject line. So these are very important notifications if you want to avail this bonus. Let me tell you that these bonuses are time bound. That means this timer is ticking away, as it is said over here, on December 6th, 11:59 PM EST, all these bonuses will be gone. So if you want to avail these bonuses and avail this offer, you need to take action fast. Again, let me remind you that at any time you want to know the process, I have given a pictorial representation of how to go about it over here. You can always refer to how to access my bonuses. Of course, you need to click one of these yellow buttons, that are there, and purchase through my link. That is very important to avail these bonuses. Moving ahead with the review, pricing and upgrades details. Now the front end of the software comes at a price of $9.45, pretty cheap, less than $10, and it is a dime sale pricing, remember that. Plus there is 10% off for this Cyber Week, which the code which I have given below, I will be giving below. You can use that code and avail it. Also in the website you can use the code, it will be there on the website, the sales page. After December 6th, 11:59 PM, the price rises to $16.45. So as I said, the price, these dime sale prices are limited. The first OTO is the first OTO is the Rocket Pro, which comes at a one-time cost of $27.45. Now what does it do? This upgrade video course contains over-the-shoulder teaching that will bring your business to the next level using the Rocket strategy. Basically, it has added videos, added tutorials that will boost your Pinterest training. The second OTO, which comes at a price of $47.45, is the Rocket Done For You OTO. All these description I have given below, so you can always go through it. I am going it a bit fast. Now what it contains, the second OTO, is 6,000 plus Pinterest templates, motivational, inspirational quotes for make money online, entrepreneurs, business, etc. And it is you just need to copy paste this and put in your link, put in your affiliate link or website link, whatever link, and bingo, you get the traffic. It's very simple. It's all done for you. For basic, for the newbies, this is really a good lucrative offer. OTO number 3 is the Rocket license. Now this is the full reseller rights to Profit Rocket. You can resell this. That includes 100% commissions through the entire funnel selling the product. This license does not include giving the system for free. Of course, you cannot give the system for free. It's clearly mentioned over here, and it comes at a price of $97.45 one-time cost. The last OTO, OTO number 4, comes at a price of $77.45, and it is a Rocket coaching, which contains a 1-hour one-to-one coaching. Now this is a little bit different. One-to-one coaching, private coaching with Johnny Rose, where you are going to learn one-to-one coaching, where you are going to learn exactly what is needed to run a successful Pinterest commission system. Now moving ahead with the okay, before that, let me say, as I said, that this is a limited time promotional offer. So if you need to act, you need to act by 6 December 2020, 29:59 hours EST. According to me, if you want to test the software and check if Pinterest works for you, you should go for the front end and OTO number 1. And for the newbies, I would also suggest OTO number 2, since it shows you another platform with zero competition, and you get the done for you templates also. On the other hand, if you are already convinced and want to go ahead and explore Pinterest social media platform, you should go for the other OTOs as per your requirement. If you want reseller, then the reseller or the agency license, whatever it is. And with the 30-day money back guarantee, it becomes totally risk-free investment. So you can always check it for 30 days and see if it works for you. Moving ahead with the pros and cons, according to me, it's a very simple tool. You saw it's a collection of tutorials that teaches you how to earn up to 5-figure incomes a month using Pinterest platform. And this traffic that you get from Pinterest is 100% organic traffic. That is something very, very unique. And you get hundreds of followers also, which will continue to grow and continue to give you traffic more and more. And it explores a really underrated viral social media platform, that is Pinterest. As I was saying earlier, that Pinterest is not heard much about Pinterest. Nobody hears. Everybody talks about Facebook, everybody talks about Google Ads, etc., etc. But Pinterest is really needs to be unearthed more, so that all the riches come out. And this is really a unique software that does it. And the 30-day money back policy, which you can always avail, gives you a risk-free investment. Apart from this, there are some cons which I want to mention. First of all, what I found is that the best features like the done for you and the OTO1, these two features are locked behind expensive upgrades. According to me, they're a bit more expensive than as per the front end is concerned. Of course, if you're getting results, who cares? And second is second con that I found is that income expectations that are given is a bit high, means especially for newbies, means you need time, you need some kind of experience to get to that level. Of course, if you are an experienced marketer, you can get going from day one only. Coming to the conclusion of this review, according to me, the software aims at solving a perennial and evergreen problem, you can say, with web traffic, and explores a new way of generating massive organic traffic from quite an underrated social media platform, that is Pinterest. As I was saying, it is a perfect fit for online marketers, affiliate marketers, website owners, and anyone who needs traffic. That almost everybody is covered. And on the other hand, if you are not interested in Pinterest, this may not be for you. Let me tell you, this will not be for you. However, you can always give it a try with the 30-day money-back guarantee. You can always check. It becomes totally risk-free investment. So good luck. So if you are interested to buy this software, again, I tell you that you need to click one of these yellow buttons. To avail all my bonuses. You can find the link to my bonus page in the video description below. So please check that out. And that pretty much sums up my review. Hope you like this review. Please do mention your comments in the comment section below. Your likes, your dislike, any comment. Remember, your feedback is most important to us. And if you like this review, don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon, so that every time I post a new video, you are informed. That's it for today. Bye for now. Take care and stay safe.